Today, we're going to learn how to set up an e-services account using the Tax Administration of Jamaica website. Now, remember, you can also set up your e-services account by calling the tax office. But if you're more comfortable doing it on your own, you can go ahead and create that account from their website. So first, you go to your browser and you type jamaicatax.gov.jm into your browser, and this page will appear. Then you go ahead and click Login. When you click Login, this page will pop up, and to create your e-services account, you'll go ahead and click the Create Account button. Once you click the Create Account button, this page will appear. Now on this page, you enter your first name and last name. You can add your middle name if you so desire, and you should create a username which you will use to log in. Your email address is also required. On this side of the page, you can enter your gender, which is optional, and you'll also have a text verification that you will complete in this box. As soon as you have entered all the information required here, you'll go ahead and click Save, and an email from the Tax Administration of Jamaica will come to the email address that you have entered here, and you will be asked to enter your security questions and proceed with completing the setup of your e-services account. Remember that you can also get assistance with this process by calling the Jamaica Tax Office at the number shown on the screen. After receiving confirmation that your e-services account has been set up, you can go ahead and log into your e-services account by entering your username and the generic password that you would have received in your confirmation email. You can go ahead and sign in, and the system will prompt you to change your password to a more memorable password. You can also just continue using the generic password that was generated when you set up your e-services account, but it is recommended that you change that password. And that's how you create and log in to your e-services account on the Tax Administration of Jamaica website. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to create an e-services account using the Tax Administration of Jamaica website. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next.